If you want to cancel your SurveyMonkey account, I'll walk you through the quickest way to do it step by step. This is a simple process, but it's important to follow each step carefully so you cancel the right subscription or account setting without missing anything. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Now let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your web browser and sign in to the account you want to cancel. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This usually opens your account menu where you'll find different options related to your profile and subscription. From the drop-down menu, click on My Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage billing, plan details, and other account preferences. Once you're on the My Account page, look for the Billing Details section. This is where SurveyMonkey stores your subscription and renewal information. Click on Billing Details to open your billing settings. Here, you should see details about your current plan and any auto-renew settings connected to the account. Now find the Cancel button next to auto-renew. This is the key step for stopping future charges. Click that Cancel option to turn off auto-renew or begin the cancellation process. Make sure to read any confirmation message carefully before finalizing anything. Depending on your plan, SurveyMonkey may ask you to confirm the cancellation or explain what happens next, such as when your access will end. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the cancellation so your subscription will not renew again. After that, double-check your billing page to make sure the auto-renew setting is turned off. This helps ensure you won't be billed again unexpectedly. If you're cancelling because you no longer need the service, it's also a good idea to review your saved surveys or export any data you want to keep before your access changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel your SurveyMonkey account by going to your profile, opening My Account, navigating to billing details, and turning off auto-renew. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our tutorials for more quick step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.